Hey guys, I just wanted to bring up something real quick. I'm sitting here, I'm listening to a sermon, and I'm thinking to myself, all right, God, why even offer us Trump? Why even give us the opportunity to have someone that could possibly get into the office to give us more time if we're not going to get it? Why get him all the way to the very end of the rope? I'm talking about the odds of him making it this far. If you look back last year, were astronomical. Everybody hated him. Everybody was making fun of him. I mean, he is withstand every blow, every bomb, everything. WikiLeaks emails, one bomb after the other about Hillary Clinton. You know, I'm thinking to myself, if we go into judgment, we don't have any more time left to be the church, guys. We're not ready. We need more time. And, I still have hope because we have Christians out there that are voting for Hillary Clinton. They have literally lost their mind. They're voting for a baby-killing, bisexual, American treasonous, lying woman. And they're voting for her. Why? Because they think Trump is a womanizer. He has nothing on Hillary Clinton. The woman has a husband going into the White House with her that does prey on women, has raped women. The country has gone insane. Christians have gone insane. And I'm thinking to myself, Lord, why even give us the ability? Is God going to give us Trump to give us more time for a couple of years before earthquakes and all these things and wars start happening? We need to be more united. The church is not united. It's not united. So the elections are coming up. They're going to be final here November the 8th. That's like next week, guys. We are there. And, it'll be until January until it literally takes office. So we really need to see what God's decision is. And honestly, if he doesn't get in office, if something horrible happens, okay, I accept our fate. I accept it. But I have hope and I pray. And I'm kind of like, Lord, why even tease us like this with the possibility of having more time if you're not going to give it to us? What if this is a gift to the church, guys? What if this is a gift to the Christians? And if Trump gets into office, I'll tell you one thing. Every single Christian out there who knows that judgment is coming, who is awake and knows the times that we're living in and knows what's coming down the pipeline, better get out there and pound the pavement because he has given us a little bit more time to get it together. Like I said, we have Christians that have gone insane. They have lived in Babylon way too long and they've heard the prosperity preaching their entire lives. They're not reading their Bibles. We need a revival. We need a revival. The church has to get ready for the coming of Christ. The church has to get ready for wars. The church has to get ready for the one world kingdom, and we're not ready right now. There's no way we're ready when we've got Christians voting for a killer, for a murderer, for a butcher, for an evil demonic Jezebel. Pray. I still have hope. I still have hope. And like I said, I'm just going to keep on having hope and praying to God for more time because I don't need more time to be rich and prosperous and I can get comfortable again. I need more time to rescue. I have family members that aren't saved. I have people that I care about at work or just in daily lives in my family that don't know the Lord. I need more time, and I know that every single one of us know at least 10 to 20 people like that. Now, times that by 1 million people, 1 million Christians. There's so many people out there that are walking into the gates of hell. Does that not make you unhappy? Does that make you sad and mourn? It makes me sick. We have got to do a better job, church. We've got to get out there, whether you get out on the street corner. If we have more time, on the street corner, blasting. Don't just sit behind your TV screen or your computer phone and just listen to YouTube all day and all of these preachings all day. Get a YouTube channel. Start ministering at work. Start ministering on the sidewalk. Start doing something. Stop staying around church people. Get out there and start talking to the people who really need to hear this. There are people out there lost. It doesn't matter if they yell at you. It doesn't matter if they scream at you. It doesn't matter if you're made fun of. You grow tougher skin. Think about where their soul is going to end up when they die, and they're going to be wishing that they listened to you. Just try to do something. Don't just absorb everything. You have to be it's like a sponge. When a sponge gets saturated, it can't take on any more wisdom. It has to be wrung out. The water has to be wrung out for the sponge to collect any more liquid. Yes, that's like you as a Christian. You can absorb and absorb and absorb to the point where you are just gluttony full, but you've got to wring yourself out on somebody else so you can absorb more wisdom and pass the wisdom on to somebody else so the seed is planted and God can do his job. We need more time. Let's pray, let's pray, let's pray. We are down to crunch time, Christians. It could go one of two ways. We're immediately in judgment, which none of us are ready for, or we got a little bit more time, one or two more years to get ready, to prepare, to store up our Joseph storehouses. Okay? It could go one of two ways. We still need to keep praying. Love you.